Luca Marini yang bernaung di tim Moneviar 46 adalah adik dari Valentino Rossi. Selamat buat kamu yang menjawab dengan benar, kreatif, dan terpilih oleh admin. Siap-siap cek DM kamu ya, karena paket ban motor spesial siap menjadi milik kalian. Asput dan juga tim Top Speed MotoGP Trans 7 masih akan bagi-bagi hadiah, tapi di segmen selanjutnya. Makanya standby terus di sini ya, karena sekarang saatnya kita melihat yang ringan dan menarik. So, here it is, Off Track.
Duet maut joki kuda besi punggawa tim Yamaha Factory Racing Fabio Quartararo dan Franco Morbidelli memang tak diragukan lagi kemampuannya di atas lintasan. Eits, tapi nih, kira-kira kalau ditanya soal pribadi masing-masing, pada paham nggak ya? Yuk, sejenak kita uji pengetahuan mereka berdua tentang seberapa kenal sih mereka satu sama lain. It's all about your teammate. Barang apa yang menjadi koleksi dari Frankie?
I don't know. Yes, I know. Pokemon cards.
Bravo. Bravo.
I know.
Did you read the answer?
No.
Or?
No answer.
Bravo.
Wah, nggak nyangka banget. Ternyata Morbido ngefans sama Pikachu toh. Gemes.
Pika-pika.
Nah, sekarang Frankie tahu nggak nih koleksinya Fabio apa?
Shoes. Jeans. Can you give me a help or hats? Helmets. From riders.
We have to do one
I'll
together.
give you one. Yeah. we make an exchange.
Perfect.
We make an exchange. That's all.
Ya, masa abang Frankie nggak tahu sih koleksinya El Diablo? Poinnya 1-0 deh nih. Pertanyaan berikutnya, siapa nama anjing Fabio? Tahu nggak nih kira-kira?
I didn't know you had a dog. You have a dog? You have a dog? Dog? Fabio's dog?
Puoi dirlo. Quello che mi hai detto.
Cosa ti ho detto? Non ho capito.
Che sì, avevo un cane.
Hai un cane?
Magari no.
Non sarà il cane. He doesn't have a dog. He doesn't have a dog. So also cheating answer. Bene. Okay.
Hampir kejebak. Kasihan deh Frankie diisengin. Oke, poin 1 sama. Coba tebak, lagu apa yang sering diputar oleh Franco untuk memotivasi dirinya?
Wow. I know we have different style of music. So this is a difficult question.
I think, yeah, it's difficult.
It's difficult, no? From which country is the...
US.
So US rap. Eminem.
Go more towards rock.
I think I even don't know.
Rage Against the Machine.
I don't know.
You need to give me your boombox.
Yes?
Then I put the music in the office.
Nah tuh Fabio, ntar dengerin musik bareng-bareng sama Morbidelli tuh ya. Frankie tahu nggak nih, apa judul serial televisi yang sering ditonton sama Fabio?
Also this one is difficult. My favorite series.
Is a cartoon or a real series?
Yes. It's quite old. Not new.
Quite old. Superheroes or not?
No, no superheroes. I tell you the name of the actor, Michael Scofield.
No, I don't know. No, I don't know.
Prison Break.
Ah, Prison Break, cazzo.
I'm getting you out of here. It's impossible. Not if you design the place, it isn't.
Prison Break yang fenomenal itu loh, Frankie. Wah, skor akhir gak berubah deh, masih 1-1 nih. Kayaknya kalian berdua harus lebih sering ngobrol berdua tuh, biar makin ikrip ceritanya. Kompak selalu ya, teammate.